Gattu Chinky's birthday. Today was Gattu and Chinky's birthday, and both of them woke up early with excitement. They quickly got freshened up and put on their new clothes after taking bath.
Chinky, happy birthday to you. And by the way, you look really nice today. This new frock of yours is so lovely. Thank you. Happy birthday to you too, Gattu. Or should I say, happy birthday to us? And yes, your blue t-shirt and jeans looks great too. Thank you, Chinky. Now let's hurry to the kitchen and see what Mummy has made. Yes, let's go.
When Gattu and Chinky reached the kitchen, they saw that Mummy had already prepared their favorite breakfast on the dining table.
Oh, Gattu Chinky, happy birthday to both of you. Come, sit at the dining table. Your favorite breakfast is ready. Thank you, Mummy. Mummy, where is Papa? Gattu, Papa went to buy some candies for both of you so that you can take it to school. Oh, wow, Mummy. Distributing candies today will be so much more fun.
Just as Gattu and Chinky were talking, Papa arrived with packets of candies in his hands. My dear children, happy birthday! And look, here are your candies.
Thank you, Papa.
And that's not just it, kids. Remember, you asked me to get different chocolates for your friends Bunty, Goody and Hari. So, I have brought separate chocolates for them too.
Wow, I thought you might forget about it, but you remembered.
Gattu and Chinky were looking at the chocolates and candies, but Mummy asked them to finish their breakfast first. After breakfast, Papa dropped Gattu and Chinky off at school. As soon as they entered the class, all their friends started wishing them.
Happy birthday, Gattu Chinky. Yes, Gattu Chinky, happy birthday. Thank you, Hari and Goody. Gattu Chinky, happy birthday from me too. Thank you, Bunty. Thank you, Bunty.
Just then, Gattu and Chinky's class teacher entered, and all the kids quickly took their seats.
Oh wow, Gattu and Chinky, it's your birthday today. Very nice. Thank you, ma'am. You two need to go to distribute candies, right? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can we go and give candies to the principal? Yes, but wait. First, the whole class will clap for Gattu and Chinky and wish them happy birthday.
All the kids followed the teacher's instructions and clapped for Gattu and Chinky. Then Gattu and Chinky went with their best friends to give candies to the principal.
Happy birthday, kids. And yes, take this from me.
The principal gave Gattu and Chinky little birthday cards on the behalf of the school. After that, they distributed toffees to all the teachers and their classmates. Everyone was wishing Gattu and Chinky one by one.
Bunty, Goody, Hari, here are special chocolates for you. Yes, you all are our best friends. That is why these are for you. Thank you, Gattu and Chinky. But what, Hari? Chinky, actually, we three can't come to the party this evening. What? What are you saying, Goody? Goody is right. Gattu and Chinky, we all have to go out with our parents today. So, we can't make it.
Hearing this made Gattu and Chinky very sad.
But it won't be fun without you three. We even planned a theme party. Sorry, Gattu Chinky, but don't worry. Tomorrow we will bring a special gift for both of you. Okay, Bunty.
After hearing this, Gattu and Chinky felt down and went home. At home, Mummy was preparing for the party. But when she saw that Gattu and Chinky are sad, she asked them,
What happened, Gattu Chinky? Why do you both look so worried? Mummy, do you know Goody, Hari and Bunty said they can't come to our birthday party today? Yes, Mummy. Now the party won't be fun at all. Don't say that, Chinky. So what if Hari, Bunty and Goody are not coming? You both enjoy with other kids and your papa and I will be there too. We'll all have fun together. Okay, Mummy. And kids, I've also prepared your superhero costumes. Gattu, you have a Spider-Man costume and Chinky, you have Captain Marvel costume. Wow, really, Mummy? Yes, kids. Then let's go and check out our costumes right now.
Gattu and Chinky went to their room to see their costumes and loved them. Soon evening arrived and Gattu and Chinky's superhero themed party began. All the kids came dressed as different superheroes. Gattu and Chinky looked amazing in their costumes. Just then, the doorbell rang and Gattu went to open the door.
Everyone is here, so who could be at the door?
But when he opened the door, Gattu was surprised to see none other than Goody, Hari and Bunty, all in their costumes. They all shouted together.
Surprise! Hari, Bunty, Goody, you three. Surprise, Gattu. We were just pulling a prank at school.
Just then Chinky also came there.
What? A prank? Yes, Chinky, that's right. How could we miss our best friend's birthday party? We were just joking. And here are our birthday gifts for you both. Happy birthday, Gattu, Chinky. Thank you, Goody, Hari and Bunty for the gifts and for coming to the party. Now it's going to be so much fun. Yes, let's go inside. Now we will have a blast.
Then Gattu and Chinky cut their birthday cake together. And all the kids danced and enjoyed themselves. Just then, Mummy came and told all the kids.
Kids, I have two very interesting things to tell you all. What are they, Mummy? Look what I have. A big bowl with lots of chits inside. You all will take turns picking a chit, and whatever is written, you will have to act it out. This will be so much fun, Mummy. I want to go first. Alright, Gattu, here we go.
Gattu picked the chit, and in that chit, it was written dance. Gattu danced, and then one by one, all the kids picked chits. Some had to act like their mothers, and others had to sing. All the kids enjoyed the games a lot. Just then, Papa came and told all the kids, "Kids, look what I have."
Uncle, those are a lot of pots along with small plants.
Yes, Goody. Today we will plant these in the pots together. And by next year on Gattu and Chinky's birthday, these plants will grow big and bloom beautiful flowers.
This will be so much fun, Papa. Wow. So what are you waiting for, Gattu? Let's plant these together.
All the kids planted the saplings and decorated them in the balcony. That's how Gattu and Chinky's birthday party ended beautifully, and they had a lot of fun.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.